Tired of stubborn scars and dark spots that just won't fade? What if I told you that nature holds the answer? No harsh chemicals, no expensive treatments? Stay tuned because today, I'm sharing powerful natural remedies you can start using right now. And hey, click save so you don't lose these tips. First, let's quickly understand what's happening under your skin. Scars and hyperpigmentation are your body's way of healing, but sometimes they overreact. Sun exposure, inflammation, and even your skincare habits can make things worse. But don't worry, simple, natural ingredients can help restore your glow. Number 1. Aloe Vera. Packed with enzymes and vitamins, it soothes, hydrates, and promotes cell turnover. Apply fresh aloe daily for the best results. Number 2. Rosehip Oil. It's rich in vitamin A and C, nature's version of retinol, helping to fade scars over time. A few drops at night can make a huge difference. Number 3. Licorice Root Extract. If you struggle with dark spots, this is a game changer. It brightens skin naturally by reducing excess melanin. Number 4. Honey. Not just sweet, it's antibacterial, healing, and moisturizing. Apply a thin layer as a mask once or twice a week. Which remedy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. Now listen closely. Natural treatments need consistency. You won't see changes overnight, but daily use makes a real difference over weeks. Also, never skip sunscreen. Even natural remedies can't protect you if UV rays keep damaging your skin. Pro tip: combine ingredients. For example, mix a few drops of rosehip oil into your aloe gel for a nighttime healing serum. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. It really supports this channel. Beautiful skin is a journey, not a race. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and let nature do the magic. Subscribe for more natural skincare tips, and I'll see you in the next video.